coffee are beverages that are extensively used, be it in the corporate world or during business meetings or just when chilling out with friends. But do you know these beverages can cause stains over your teeth? The reason being, these beverages have molecules called tannins which penetrate the tooth and cause stains. Tea is more likely to cause stains than coffee because it has maximum number of tannins. Black tea is more likely to cause stains than the tea with milk. The reason being, black tea has more number of tannin molecules that are available to stain the teeth. When you add milk to the black tea, the protein in the milk called casein binds with the tannin and there are less number of tannins available that can penetrate the teeth and cause stains. So how many cups of these beverages are okay to consume? You can have 2 to 3 cups of these beverages. Having said that, there are some people who are more prone to developing stains even with 2 or 3 cups of tea or coffee. The reason being, probably the tooth surface is rough, that is, the tooth may have minor pits or grooves wherein these tannin molecules can penetrate and cause stains. Second reason being hyperacidity. When a person has hyperacidity, because of the acid reflux, the enamel of the tooth becomes porous and the tannin molecules can easily penetrate and cause stains. Third reason, dry mouth. Dry mouth means less of saliva, and saliva is a natural cleansing agent, that is, it washes away all the debris and protects the mouth. When there is dry mouth, there is less saliva, and less saliva means less of cleansing action and therefore more stains. So what are the tips for not getting these stains? Limit the consumption of these beverages. If that is not possible, at least rinse your mouth after consuming them. Consume raw fruits and vegetables which are fibrous. Because of the fibrous nature of these fruits and vegetables, the debris get washed away. Visit your dentist for a cleaning session every 6 months. Switch to a tooth whitening toothpaste. However, remember that teeth whitening toothpaste will remove only the external or the superficial stains. The stains which are produced because of the molecules entering and penetrating the tooth, that is the internal stains, will not be removed by the teeth whitening toothpaste. For such stains, you will have to visit to a dentist and get a teeth whitening session done. So next time when you're consuming these beverages, remember that these can produce stains over your teeth. Thank you.